Hello everyone. Let me share a personal story. A few months ago, I was watching my favorite movie on Netflix, fully immersed in the plot. About halfway through, I realized something astonishing. The subtitles were off, and I hadn't even noticed. I was understanding everything in English without any help. This realization was a huge milestone in my language learning journey, and it made me think about how to track such progress and set new goals. Today, we're going to explore innovative ways to measure your progress and set advanced goals to keep challenging yourself. By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to understand the importance of measuring progress in language learning. Learn effective and unique methods for tracking English proficiency. Discover how to set advanced, achievable goals to continue your growth. Measuring progress is a significant part of language learning because it helps you see how far you have come and identify areas for improvement. It keeps you motivated and ensures that you are continually moving forward in your language learning journey. Create a progress portfolio where you connect samples of your work over time. Include essays, recording of your speaking, articles, poems, and summaries of books or articles you've read. I started a progress portfolio when I was learning French. Every month, I'd record a short speech, write an essay, and summarize an article. Reviewing these over time made my progress visible and provided a tangible sense of achievement. Form a study group or partnership where you regularly review each other's work and provide constructive feedback. This peer interaction can offer new perspectives and insights into your progress. In my language exchange group, we set up monthly peer review sessions. We'd write essays or prepare presentations, then critique each other's work. This collaborative approach helped identify blind spots and inspired new learning strategies. Create digital storytelling projects where you narrate a story or present a topic using multimedia tools. This combines language skills with creativity and technology. I created a digital story about my travels using images and short clips with a narration in English. This project not only improved my language skills but also helped me practice using English in a creative and engaging way. Conduct a comprehensive self-evaluation every 6 months, assessing your skills across reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Reflect on your strengths, weaknesses, and progress. Think of self-evaluation as a personal performance review. It's an honest look at where you stand and where you need to work on, helping you set realistic and achievable goals for the future. Start a blog where you regularly write about your language learning journey, topics of interest, or current events in English. Blogging provides consistent practice and tracks your improvement over time. Now, here's an assignment for you. Set a challenge for yourself, like giving a public speech or writing a research paper in English. For further reading, I recommend Fluent Forever: How to Learn Any Language Fast and Never Forget It by Gabrielle Weiner. It offers practical tips and strategies for mastering a new language and tracking your progress. Managing your progress and setting advanced goals are essential steps in your language learning journey. Start incorporating these practices into your routine and watch as you achieve your language learning goals.